Hey, welcome back to our channel. Here we are going to learn about how to add HTML code to Shopify. Subscribe and let us explore together. Let us begin now. First of all, what is the reason why we are editing HTML code in Shopify? Editing HTML code in Shopify is essential for customizing and personalizing the appearance and functionality of your online store. By modifying HTML, you can tailor the layout, design elements, and user interface to better reflect your brand identity and meet specific business needs. This customization allows you to create unique pages, such as product pages or landing pages, that align with your marketing strategies and customer engagement goals. Additionally, editing HTML enables integration of third party applications, custom scripts, and tracking codes, which are crucial for enhancing site performance, optimizing SEO, and tracking analytics. Overall, the ability to edit HTML in Shopify empowers store owners to maintain a professional, branded online presence while maximizing functionality and user experience, ultimately driving sales and customer satisfaction. You are going to sign into your Shopify. This is our main admin. Now, you are going to go to your online store and select themes. Once you get right here, you will be able to see the theme that you have. Now, you are going to click on these three dots and click on Edit Code. And this is where we can see all of different codes. You can see we have layouts, templates, and we have like different snippets and others. So what we can do is we can add a new code. Let's just add a new template. And now we can select any, you know, template to create. We have article, blog, product, and others. So I can select, let us say, page. So I'm going to go with page from here, and then we have file name. So this is going to be, let us say, an introduction page. So I'm just gonna go with introduction. Click on done. I'm creating a brand new template to show you. And there you go. Now you can see I can insert an HTML code really easily. This one is going to be, you know, a page, an introduction page. So now what I can do is I can go and write a code in introduction code for a clothing store or maybe any other store that I have. So now you can even write the code with ChatGPT. So you can ask your GPT to write the code for you for introduction page. And this is where you copy and paste. That is what you have to do. Now we will just simply copy and paste the code right here and click on the save button here at the top. Click on save and you will be able to edit the HTML code. And you can even preview the store with this page that you just created. So if you even want to edit the other codes, you just select it from here. For instance, this is the collection one. So we have collection. You can see the code already added here. If I want to add it, if I want to customize it, I can just select it and edit out and click on save. So this is how we edit and add HTML codes to our Shopify store. I hope that it was a big help. And there you have it. Thanks for watching videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content and exploration. See you in the next video.